Sunanda Pushkar Tharoor's death is once again in the news. This time because of the Delhi police have claimed that Shashi Tharoor's wife was murdered. The comment comes barely a week and a half before the first anniversary of her death. Subramaniam Swamy, who had pursued the case reacting, said that police and doctors did a marvelous job in the case and there was something that Sunanda wanted to reveal. If the Sunanda Pushkar Tharoor's case has been in the public eye because of the high-profile image of Sunanda, then the manner in which the case was pursued by BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy has also been well noted. Swamy, interestingly, is the first person to suspect a foul play in the mysterious murder. 5 weeks after Sunanda's death, it was Swamy who had claimed that there were professional touch to what had happened. Speaking on the development of the day, Swamy said that the police had at least gathered the nerve to register an FIR.
The only crime she committed was that she wanted to tell the truth. And for that, she was subjected to her losing her life. And I found a conspiracy of silence, which was too much. And the people who were involved was very high-powered. I regret to say even the hotel has to be investigated as to how the closed-circuit TV conveniently went off on one floor. This is a very big murder, very big names are involved, and I was going to file the PIL on 15th of January, which would have been a nearly 1 year anniversary, and I'm happy that the police has finally developed nerve to register an FIR under murder. But it is not an ordinary murder of passion.
It was Swamy who said there were enough evidence that former Union Minister Shashi Tharoor's wife was murdered using Russian poison. While airing his decision to file a PIL in the case, he had earlier said that he had approved. The BJP leader even wrote to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking a CBI investigation. Swamy, who has linked the case with the IPL scam, today said that while there is a fresh development on alleged murder case, he will wait till the case is finally cracked completely.
Issue also, and I would like to see the Delhi police hold a comprehensive inquiry. My PIL will remain till we get to the bottom of this matter.
Several months after Sunanda Pushkar's death, Delhi police on Tuesday registered an FIR against unknown persons claiming that Sunanda Pushkar did not commit suicide but was murdered. We have got the final medical reports from the AIIMS and we have been told that it was an unnatural death, Basi told the media.
Congratulate Dr. Sudhir Gupta, the head of the forensic department, who withstood tremendous pressure, including destruction of his career. He stood his ground, he didn't budge, and there were huge attempts to try and make him change his findings. He did not.
जो भी इस केस में ज़रूरी है वो हम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमें इसमें जो है अब केस दर्ज करके जो है जो भी इसमें तफ्तीश होगी कानून के मुताबिक वो हम कर रहे हैं। देखिए ऐसा है कि 29/12 को हमारे को जो मेडिकल बोर्ड थी उसने रिपोर्ट दे दी थी, तो उस रिपोर्ट में जो मेन मुद्दा उन्होंने हमें ये बताया है कि डेथ जो है नंबर 1 अननेचुरल है, यानी कि नेचुरल डेथ नहीं है। दूसरा उन्होंने बताया है कि डेथ इज़ ड्यू टू पॉइजनिंग, और उसमें ये भी उन्होंने कहा है कि पॉइजनिंग जो है ये ओरली भी ली हो सकती है, और इसके अलावा ये हो सकता है कि इंजेक्ट भी की गई हो।
A special team from South District will probe the case.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट की एक स्पेशल टीम फॉर्म की है जो इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन को देखेगी। डीसीपी साउथ उसको इन्वेस्टिगेशन को क्लोजली मॉनिटर करेंगे।
सर क्या एफआईआर में किसी का नाम नहीं, अज्ञात लोगों के खिलाफ?
नहीं, अभी किसी का नाम नहीं है।
Sunanda Pushkar was found dead in a suite number 345 of a Leela Palace in January last year. This came day after she had a Twitter tiff with Pakistan journal Meher. She had reportedly suspected her of having an affair with her husband Tharoor, though denied charges.
Powered by NNIS.